BeHear now is a neck loop style headset. In this video, I'll show you how to wear it comfortably. Pick up the headset, making sure the Wear and Hear logo is facing you and the power button is on the bottom. Raise it over your head and settle it on the back of your neck, either above or beneath the shirt collar. The control boxes will be facing up. Insert the earbuds into your ears. Slightly twisting the earpiece forward and backwards helps to insert the hooks properly. This is what it should look like when inserted properly. The earpieces should fit snugly, yet comfortably. Different sizes of earbuds and hooks are provided for you to find your perfect fit. If you'd like, you can shorten the cables by folding them back onto themselves and then inserting them into the clips located just above the control boxes. When wearing the headset outdoors, consider attaching the foam covers. These greatly cut down the noise caused by wind. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.